What up? It's your girl Peach here. My channel is about natural hair. Products, tips, tutorials, techniques, anything to help you along the way in your natural hair journey. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the notification button so you can be a part of the Peach Posh crew. Yes, I did let my sister do my hair, but I have a confession. She's a licensed professional. So you're going to see my hair go from this to this. Keep watching. Alright, just took my hair down. This is it. When you go get your hair done by your sister, she make you take your hair down yourself. And what? Comb it yourself. How about that? Here you'll see that my hair has been washed and conditioned. She sectioned it off and applied a leave-in. Now she's going to go through each section and blow dry it. Oh, that's a lot of hair. Lord, it takes forever to do my hair. I'm so glad she was doing it this week and not me. Because keep in mind, you guys, I did fast forward this video and I have cut out a lot of things too. And it's still long. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so here you're gonna see her start to go through the hair and flat iron it. She does take her time with it. Uses small sections in order to make sure that the hair becomes straight. Okay, so am I the only one that holds down their ear when she's not anywhere near my ear? All it takes is one good time to get burnt. That's all you need. And no, you guys, she did not burn me. Now that it's been blow dried and straightened, she's gonna go through each section and clip the ends. Okay, you guys, this is the part where she's going to curl the hair. And you know you good when you can curl some hair with a flat iron. I won't even try it. Yes, this is nice. Look at that hair. Bouncing and behaving. Go ahead, come on through with that flat iron. If you live in the Houston area and are interested in getting your hair done, I'll be sure to leave her contact information in the description. I'll see you guys later. Bye.